Recently my trusty Mobius camera had an unfortunate event and it stopped working, and nothing I would do could bring it back. However, I've managed to order a brand new one which is slightly higher spec. It does have a wider lens, and I think this causes a little bit of distortion. It's also in need of focusing, as the close focus range, as you can see here by the point, is not correct. But this is it, just out of the box. It's still in MOV format, QuickTime at 30 frames per second, so I need to change that to my usual 50 frames per second and do a few more other adjustments, but I thought it would be interesting just to see how it does straight away out of the box.